You need to watch this if you struggle with staying motivated to improve yourself. This challenge is your game changer. Start with your physical health. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and quality sleep are your foundation. Hydrate like it's your job. Next, boost your mental well-being. Try mindfulness and meditation to crush stress. Journal your thoughts and tackle brain games to stay sharp. Never stop learning. Pick up new hobbies, read, and grow professionally. Continuous learning keeps life exciting. Build stronger relationships by improving communication. Spend quality time with loved ones and practice kindness daily. It's a win-win. Optimize your lifestyle and environment. Declutter your space, manage your finances, and live sustainably. Small changes, big impact. Set smart goals and create a step-by-step plan. Track your progress, stay motivated, and be consistent. Remember, failure is just a lesson in disguise. This challenge is about you. Customize it, embrace the journey, and watch your life transform.